In today's episode of SNG Explains, we will talk about USA's latest anti-democracy accusations on Sheikh Hasina. As political temperatures heat up in Bangladesh ahead of elections expected in January, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina finds herself under attack from the United States, which has accused her of undermining the democratic election process and imposed visa restrictions on key members of the ruling Awami League and others. Is Bangladesh a test case for US democracy promotion overseas? If that is so, why has the United States done nothing about the Pakistani military meddling in the election process? Or for that matter, the army in Thailand?
I think there's a difference in their approach towards Pakistan, Myanmar. Myanmar also, the economic sanctions have been on Myanmar for a long time now. That's not a new thing. And vis-a-vis Pakistan, of course, the strategic interest and other interests kind of converge at a different level, and we don't see this kind of a behavior as what we see towards Bangladesh. But what is the way they view Bangladesh is that the elections haven't been held democratically. It's not so much the other issues, and they've seen, and they say that the state apparatus has been very effectively used by this particular government, and of course a whole lot of human rights issues, and the RAB that I mentioned, the RAB sanctions against RAB was of course on those particular lines. But so far as Bangladesh is concerned, they believe that elections that were held 2014, particularly 2018, were certainly not free and fair, and they do wish to see Bangladesh hold a free and fair election, which Bangladesh of course is very capable of.
The word in Dhaka is that the US is concerned about China's growing profile in that country. Chinese investment in Bangladesh follows its pragmatic, no questions asked policy everywhere else. An estimated $800 million has come in this year alone. More is expected as discussions between Dhaka and Beijing cover sectors ranging from infrastructure to semiconductors, automobiles and cold storages. Geopolitical considerations may figure higher up among Washington's concerns. China is already a key ally of the generals in Myanmar right next door to Bangladesh. It suggests China has plans for the Bay of Bengal, which could impact the US posture in the Indo-Pacific. There seems little doubt that India will continue its support for Sheikh Hasina.
Well, India will do what it has to do, whatever the outcome is. I think India is very clear about the fact that it has worked very well with Awami League and Sheikh Hasina government. It is no secret that the non-Awami League government, especially the one in 2001 and 2006, we had serious issues with that particular government and the kind of anti-India activities that were undertaken during that phase. But subsequently, with Sheikh Hasina taking over in 2009, things have changed. It's transformed. The bilateral relation has completely moved ahead in ways that was completely unprecedented. So we certainly look forward to Awami-led, Sheikh Hasina-led Awami League government. But I think in terms of the election outcome, for instance, India is happy to work with other governments. We don't see a problem there. But yes, as of now, we know there's a bit of tension about this particular issue because Bangladesh is right now, as you started by saying, there's a whole lot of domestic turmoil that's going on. And a large part of political groups have been left out in the recent past, out of electoral process. So we do hope it's going to be inclusive elections. And I think that's India's position, is that it wants a peaceful, free and fair election.
But with the Bangladesh opposition party, the BNP, stepping up its lobbying in the US, pressure on Sheikh Hasina can only mount. She has to ensure the US is somehow placated while also keeping China, a major investor in her country, happy. Stay tuned for more such topics on SNG Explains. Watch our previous SNG Explains on our channel. We will be back with a new topic for you. Till then, keep watching Strat News Global. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.